So we use RMS Plus. It's a Chrome extension for RMS Technical Training Skool. So this is what it looks like. It gets the video and it gets the transcripts and it extracts the transcript so you can see all this. And then using that context, it can generate queries, it can generate short content, and it can create like generative experience. So I'm going to walk you through each of them. Start with the generate quiz, and you can pick a question, let's say 5 questions. So we can say focus on the basics and then generate. And here we go. So it generates the quiz. You can edit the quiz, the content there. You can see this. You can check, you can uncheck, you can get the right value. You can delete this and you can add more. You can clear all the quiz. But yeah, this is the generate quiz feature. And then for the members, the users, they're gonna see the quizzes, and then they can answer and check the answer, and yeah, I failed everything. Scored 0, and yeah, this is one feature. So another feature is you can talk to the content, so you can interact with the content, and so you can speak to it.
Hey, I just read through the lesson with you. What do you want to dig into first?
What was the main points from this lesson?
The lesson primarily focused on diagnosing a car's charging issue, which initially seemed like a voltage drop problem, but turned out to be a current draw issue. The main engine cooling fan was constantly running and drawing a significant 50 amps, preventing the battery from charging effectively. The fault was eventually traced to a corroded wire for the fan's pulse width modulation signal, causing it to default to full speed. This highlights the importance of checking current under load, not just voltage, when troubleshooting charging systems.
Oh, awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else from the lesson you'd like to discuss or clarify?
So another feature is generative short content. So I can type a prompt here and then generate. So I'm telling it to pull the 3 sharpest takeaway and end each with like the punchiest quote. So now it's planning the scene, and this is voice segmenting. I was drawing all the illustrations that it's going to use in the video, and voila. So I'm going to play the video now.
A car with a flat battery and a constant charging issue led to an unexpected diagnosis beyond simple voltage drops. Despite the alternator delivering 90 amps, a constantly running fan consumed 50 amps, leaving almost no power for battery charging. Disconnecting the faulty fan reduced the system's current draw significantly, finally allowing the battery to receive a proper charge. Ultimately, the mechanics discovered a surprising truth. This fault, which came in for a charging fault, is actually a blower fan fault.
And yeah, you can download the video, you can you can generate another video, and the members can also see the video you've generated, and they can learn with this, and yeah. So for generative circuits, this is how it works. And voila, so this is it. And then the student can also go to the circuit and interact with the probe, click on this. You can measure the voltage. There was no working, they can diagnose, they can pick the faults they want, and yeah. And voila, so this is it. And then the student can also go to the circuit and interact with the probe, click on this. You can measure the voltage. There was no working, they can diagnose, they can pick the faults they want, and for the generative interactive experience, the creator can also expand, they can zoom in, zoom out, they can leave notes on different content like this, and say 12 watts, and leave this here, and then close this, And then the students on their side can also see the notes. They can leave their own notes. Can make this smaller, bigger, or we can expand, leave their own notes, and yeah.